Welcome to the Trinity Stamps Tags of Appreciation Inspiration playlist. First, I'm going to show you the coffee tag die. Makes this adorable coffee cup, and I've paired it with the Summertime Sips standalone die set to create a hot chocolate with an adorable coffee tag die attached to it. It's a shaker card as well as a slider card. So these dies that I'm going to show you right now were used to make this card. These are from the Summertime Sips standalone die set, and as the name would indicate, it came out this past summer, but it's definitely useful in the winter as well. Then I used the Scripty Christmas die, these adorable peppermint embellishments for the shaker bits, these candy canes, and finally I put everything on top of the Slimline Surprises die set. This is the main part of the die set in which you cut a tab and a slider mechanism that allows the card to be a slider card. Now I'm going to switch to the elongated rectangle die, which is shown here, and cuts a small little die as shown. I've already created a shaker card with the all spruced up stamp set and die set, as well as the Scripty Christmas die, which is shown right here. I'm going to work on the card first, so I have the ornament tag and the star tag. I've die cut those out of gold cardstock or the Slimline Holiday Pattern Paper collection. I'm going to add twine to both of those, just like before, and then I'm going to add them to my card, as you'll see in one moment. And that's how I plan to place it. So to make the tag, I'm going to take one of the stamps, the leaf stamps, and stamp it with Distress Oxide ink and pine needle onto green cardstock. Then I've die cut that with the all spruced up dies, and now I'm simply going to adhere it to the tag as shown with some Connect glue. I like to use Connect glue because it really is very flexible and forgiving and allows you to have perfect placement due to its not solidifying right away. Now I'm just going to place these berries, and you have a cute little tag that you can then put on many projects. Now I'm just going to add some gold twine. I've knotted it at one end, and I'm going to place the loop through the hole and then the end through the loop to create a hanging tag. And all of these tags are made with this purpose, and they're great for adorning packages as well as cards or any gift bags that you'll have. I hope I've provided you with some inspiration, and please continue along our video hop. Here are the final projects. Thank you for watching, and as usual, we can't wait to see what you make with all these tags. Thank you for watching.